All right, so sometimes teachers ask me like, "What do you use to make your videos and stuff?" One of the things I like to use as a math teacher is called Jamboard Notes. So if you click over here, if you're logged into Google Chrome, you slide down here and you click on Jamboard. What's nice about Jamboard is it's a Google product. It's like Google Docs. You could share it with students. Students can write on it. You could write on it. But the main thing is that when you write on it, you can share it with the students, whether they just view it or don't view it. But anyways, you could create one by clicking on this plus button. I already created one. So just like a Google Doc, if you want to change the title, you click on the title, change it around. Now, I just use a tablet. You could technically write on this thing with a pen, like you could use your mouse if you had to draw stuff. I'm using a tablet, so I would say x plus 2 equals 3, and then you could just go through and change, just write your answer down. Obviously, you could do it a little bit better than that. There are some cool features here. I can upload an image if I want to. Right, so if I wanted to do like some sort of XY plane thing, I could type that in there. Like I could say XY plane. It'll pull up some images. Boom, that's the one I want. Let's insert it. Well, bam. I mean, that's kind of cool, right? I could use these little Post-it notes. They call them sticky notes. Post-it is trademarked by 3M Corporation. But you could use these sticky notes and just type whatever. I love to do the sticky notes with kids because I can share something with them and I'll say choose left or right. You could almost do like a four corners type of expert jigsaw puzzle type, any type of collaborative learning thing. You could use these Post-it notes for on Jamboard, and the students could type their Post-it notes. You could do parking lot exit tickets. That's kind of a cool feature. It does draw some shapes, but it's limited. Like I could draw a triangle, but it's always an equilateral triangle or isosceles, so I can't draw a right triangle. So I'd have to use Google Images for that. You can erase things. So it's kind of like a whiteboard. I love the laser pointer because sometimes after I write something, I'll use the laser pointer to draw the kids' attention to it. I mean, that's basically it. And you can change different colors. You can change the background too, which is kind of nice. So I don't do this anymore, but when I first started graphing, oh man, I was going crazy on using the graph thing, the graph background. You could also do like you could do the Khan Academy thing if you want to and change the background, but it's kind of neat. You could actually put an image in there too. So if you wanted to, I could take that same Google image of the XY plane and make that the background. And then I have this as the background on the slide. That's pretty much it. When I record these videos, I put my camera up here because if I have a student that logs in when I'm recording, it'll pop their username right here. I've noticed that if I move my camera right there, what happens is it blocks that. So that's real nice. You don't have to, expose any students. But that's basically it. And that's it. And then what's nice about that is when I'm done, I can get a link by clicking share, just like a Google Doc, right? I can let the kids view it. I can let the kids edit it. I could share the link. I can copy the link. Also, if you wanted to do a Google Meet, when you click on this link, it creates a Meet. You can invite people to do the Google Meet. But yeah, I really like it. That's what I use it for.